Hi everyone, so I'm back to do a craft with me. I think this is the first one of the year, 2026. So I'm just going to make a simple pocket. I'm going to use some coffee dyed paper. This is a thicker paper, obviously coffee dyed. These are a freebie in my coffee shop. I will put links below, go check them out. This is a little kit that I've made, and it is like words you can put in your journals, and they've got various different backgrounds. You've got the plain white background, we've got like this kind of neutral coffee dyed background, we've got blue, we've got pink, we've got green, lilac. So you get all these colors. I think it's 6 different colors, and you get them in 2 sizes as well. This is a scrap piece from Grungy Newspaper Kit, which is in my shop. This is some butterflies from the ARTYmaze, and this is from my squid paper kit, and they've all got different squid paper with loads of different coloured backgrounds. So I'm just going to do this little pocket. You can do whatever size pocket you like if you want to kind of craft along. I'm just going to crack on with it, play some music, and if I feel that I need to speak, I will do a voiceover. So there we have it, a quick and easy little pockets that you can use in your journal. If you didn't want to, if you wanted to stick it down, then obviously I wouldn't do this back piece, but I'm going to be using this as a floating pocket. It will just be paper clipped in. And yeah, and you can find the digitals that I mentioned at the beginning. You can find them in my shop, which is linked below. So there we go, quick and easy. Thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, just ask.